Here's another example of burnishing. Let's say that I want to color in this spot to continue the pattern of a mixture of purple and blue. When I am burnishing, I like to start out by alternating layers of the colors. So I'm starting with purple here, and I'm using various amounts of pressure. In the spot that I want to be more purple, I'm pressing harder. Where I want it to mix smoothly with the light blue, I'm pressing lighter. So I'm varying how hard or soft I'm pressing down on the paper with the pencil. I'm going to do the same thing with the blue initially. This will help create a smooth blend, but just because it's blended doesn't mean that it's burnished. These two words are not the same. So right now it is blended, but it's not burnished like these other pieces. I want to end up going back and adding more layers of color until all of the holes in the paper are all the way filled in and the surface looks glassy or waxy or smooth and shiny. That can be a key indicator that it is burnished. So I'm still working back and forth between these two pencils, between the purple and the blue, so that it doesn't end up being only one color, because I want both colors to help give it that stained glass effect. Then I'm going to finish with my lighter color, which in this case is the blue. And I'm really pressing down hard for this last layer to close up all of these holes in the paper. I'm really filling in every part of the paper that I can. When I'm done, it should look really smooth and shiny. I think I could even actually burnish some of these spots a little bit better. So I'm really pressing down nice and securely to make that happen. If it's not shiny, then it's not quite burnished yet. It might be blended, but it may not be burnished. I think burnishing between 2 or even 3 colors can give this artwork a really interesting stained glass-like effect. So in this other part of the pattern, I'm actually doing a blend of 3 different colors that are close to each other in the color wheel, so they're what we call analogous colors. It's yellow, yellow-green, and a turquoise color. So I started out with yellow in the middle, and I'm going to lighten up some of the pencil dust that got in that section. I always like to start with one color and then overlap and layer the other two, and then go back and mix even further. This time I'm basing it around the shape of the triangle section, so each point of the triangle is where I start one of the colors. So I started the yellow in that point, the green in this point, and the turquoise I'm going to start in this point. So that's the basics of how I colored the rest of these shapes. Then I just layer more and more layers over top until it is shiny and burnished.